Hey everybody, I'm your man Dennis Pitzenberger here, Power Automedia inside SEMA 2018 with my friend Todd Ryden from PowerMaster Performance. And you guys have always come up with great products for late model and traditional racing and other products, both in alternator starters, but you've got something special for the guys that want that traditional look and they still want that generator so their lights don't dim. Let's talk about that.
What we have is the PowerGen. And basically it's a cross between a generator and an alternator. So yeah, all these guys building their traditional hot rods or even a factory restored muscle car, they can take a PowerMaster PowerGen, bolt it in place, and have the benefits of the power of an alternator.
Todd, take us through the features and benefits of the PowerGen.
Great thing about the PowerGen is it's hidden right out in plain sight. Looks exactly like a generator, but you have the reliability of an alternator. PowerMaster first looked at generators to see if they can fit all the alternator insides, but it wasn't going to work. So they just made a CNC'd aluminum housing, much stronger, more precise, and it looks exactly like a generator. And you're losing like 12 or 15 pounds. And then they pack it with their one-wire technology alternator insides, and you're getting a great amount of current at an idle, and it's supporting all the headlights. If you run an electric fan or electric fuel pump, you have that in there for the reliability.
Todd, what's been the response from the customers both out in the field and here at SEMA?
They're loving it. I mean, the traditional guys, they want that traditional look. They just do not like to see an alternator on their vehicles. So this was a great answer for them. And I mean, to have it comes, exactly like the original one, or you can get them in polished or even chrome. So there's a lot of different ways to get them, but people are loving them. They're just sitting there. It's like, man, I used to not even let my car idle because I knew things were going to run down on it. But they got it going on there, plugged in, looks original. People are just, it's been a home run.
Todd, what are the varying applications for the PowerGen?
They have them for everything. I mean, Tri-5 Chevys, of course, people restoring those, they want those, but the Model A's, the Model T's, early Studebaker, Jeep Willys stuff you can get them on. And another neat feature on these things is that you can actually wire up your factory generator light. So you'll have that working on your dash as well.
All right, Todd, if people want to know more about the PowerGen and how to get it, where do we send them?
Got to go to PowerMasterPerformance.com, and we even got a dealer list on there, so you can find out where you can go pick one up. And also, while you're at it, like us on Facebook and Instagram. We got some great information, cool cars, and tech info going up there.
All right, you heard the man, PowerMasterPerformance.com. This is Power Automedia SEMA 2018.